can hear, I guess. Or almost a lamb. I'm here, and today I'm going to do more burp videos. It's going to be a short one because we're kind of preparing to go camping or whatever, so let's get started. Okay, so it's going to be two big ones, okay? I'm actually very hungry. That's why they're actually a little bit bigger. You're welcome. Please comment, subscribe, and like the video on Google Plus because I have a lot of friends there. Bye.